Good morning, good morning, good morning. Mitzi with 307 Junk Journals. Here to work in the little fall journal 1910 with that accordion style binding that we did, that I showed you how to do on Friday. I've added a few pockets in here and a few things. I obviously still need to decorate some of this. Remember, if I'm slurring my words, sound like I've been drinking, sound like I have marbles in my mouth, it's not that I have been, it's just that pesky little tumor in my head causing hate and discontent wherever she happens to go. I want some of Crafty Cat's leaves, if I can find them. Oh, here they are. Grab trees too, because I might want to use those too. Okay, let's decorate this up and see what we can do. Now I've got a bunch of, this is from Amy's fall doodle digital. Sorry, it's one of those days. I don't know what I want to do there. How about if we just put a lady on it? Yep, let's do it. Let me grab my ink. My Inka-Dinka-Doo-Doo. I did a bunch of fall fussy cutting, because I had pretty much used it all up for that last little journal and for the Halloween journal. Yeah, let's put her there. Let me grab the glue book. Okay, let me move all these fussy cuts up so I can put my glue book right there, because I don't want any bumpies. And if I have it on this and on the green one, it's a little bumpy. So we're just gonna do simple. Did y'all have a wonderful weekend? I hope so. I'm going to assume I had a good weekend. I don't know, because today's Friday. That's yet to come. Okay, excuse my reach here. I'm trying to find things that I was going to use as pockets. No, I thought I had, well, I know I had some little leaves. And if you can hear that oh yeah, I like that. If you hear that in the background, my little dog is chewing on a pig ear. And believe me, we want him chewing on a pig ear. He is being a pill, telling you. What he really wants is me to open the back door and just leave it open. But, well, it's chilly here today, y'all. It's supposed to snow at some point. So, there's going to be the door is not going to be left open today. No. And then he wants me to go outside with him, and oh my goodness. And then he's just being naughty. Naughty. Oh, that leaf there is green, isn't it? What other color of leaves do I have in here that are small? That one's definitely not small. I don't think I have any little ones that are other colors. Oh, wait, there's one. It's rust colored. It's the same leaf, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, let's use that one. I really would like a different one. Let me continue my madness looking through here. Nope, it's green. I don't want green. It's that leaf. That's green. Oh my. You know, if I put that one on top of this one, that would look okay, but I didn't. What is that? Oh, that leaf there it might. Or I could add it to this other side, I suppose. Yeah, sure, why not? It's not really what I was wanting to do, but, well, I got all glue happy right off the bat. These things happen. Let me grab a paper towel. Okay, maybe I'm almost done with that roll. Okay, there. Now I could see, I could take this one and put it over the top like that. Yeah, let's do it. I like that one. See, if I could have found this leaf in a different color, I probably would have put it on the other side. But all I can find is green. Oh, and actually, this is the only size, the only one of this that I can find. And this, like I said, is from Amy over at Crafty Cats. It's her autumn 1910 from last year. And these little leaves, are from die cuts. Well, forge, her laser forge or glow forge. I'll get it spit out right eventually. Now, this one I think I'm just going to leave like that. This one needs a little something, something. I don't know what. I wonder, I have a gourd. This is not on yeah, it's not on that, on cardstock. My finger is it's just sore where I whacked it. And I do like that. Let's see if I have some. Let's not see if I have any, because I'm sure that I have some. Let's get some book page. And I have to tell you, my neck is just barking today. Barking, barking, barking. I am so not impressed. I don't think I want it quite that wide. Oops, you know, it would help if my ruler was the right side. Now I do kind of like that little floop-de-floo there. Yeah. Ugh, my nose. Or do I want it across the bottom? That's fine, face. Good golly, Miss Molly. Just pull this out. Ooh, I have that. That would look good. Let's use that. Yep. Okay, let's see if I can ink-a-dink it. Ooh, and I can. This is some sturdy paper. I want to say that this is from Day's Mama. She's on Etsy, and it's DAYZE, and it's just, she's got like a digital that has numbers. Okay, if I was my glue spreader, where would I be? I don't know. Here, oh, well, good golly, Miss Molly. I actually put it away. So weird. Put things away. It's crazy talk, I'm telling you. So my room is coming along nicely. So yes, we will definitely have, I'm planning on doing the tour next Friday. Well, not next Friday, this Friday. Sorry, this is Monday's video. Wait, Ellie, do I have any labels over here? Oops, I just dropped something. Yeah. Oh, I got like a whole big basket full of, I don't know, nonsense over here. Nonsense, I tell you, nonsense. Up here, some labels. I don't know whose labels these are, but 1910. How opportunistic is that? We're going to use it because seriously, 1910. How much better does it get? And the paper that I use for the pocket, I believe I got from Louisa Hines. I'm not really sure, but I think I did. Oops. And this is a tag that I got in an order, and well, it fits the fall theme. So, okay. And that I got in Happy Mail. Now we need something to put in here. Yep, I like that. But it needs to be back. And I have somewhere on here, I have a piece of, I think this is Circadia paper. I don't know. But it's almost see-through. As you can see. It's kind of like tissue paper, but it's heavier than tissue paper. It's really kind of weird. Amy over at Crafty Cat. Oops. Oh, nuts. Okay, well, that one's garbage. Okay. This glue book page is sticky. Well, I don't know that I have. Oh, wait. Here's one. We'll use that one. Has some, and I've been like drooling over hers. And guess what I found in my move? I found some that I had. I don't know where I got it. I probably got it off of Amazon.com. That's what I'm going to say. That's probably where I got it. Is from Amazon. No, it is quite porous, just so you know, because this is rather sticky now. But it's also it doesn't like to tear really well. So I'm just going to use my scissors. That's very sticky on that side. Now I need to put something, I'm thinking. Well, that one's torn. No. Ran apple. What about, no. All these are torn. Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, in my defense, a lot of those were cut by the Scan and Cuss. So, I don't know, I kind of like that if I could find. No. Let's try this one right here. Oops. Oh, goodness. Man, my little dog is in there just chewing away. I think he's probably teething, but... oops. Oh, no. I got stuck in there. Sorry you have to watch me fussy cut, but I suppose in my defense, I have gotten a wee bit better. You know, I don't like to cut out the antennae. So I just don't. I just cut them off. They're in my way. And I think the butterflies look just fine without the antennae, and it's saves my brain, and anything that saves my brain is worth it. Yeah, I'm still not feeling well. Again, I'm recording it on Friday, so it's not feeling really great. No, well, I like that butterfly on there. I don't know that I like it with the leaf. There. So I'm just gonna put that there. Maybe a label. What did I do with all the labels that I just had? There we go. And some of these are from Tracie Fox, and I'm not sure where the other one's from. I think these ones here are from Tracie Fox. Honestly, I don't know. Oops. Well, God bless America. I may not be that talkative today, and I'm so sorry. You know, I don't think I like that one, so I'm not going to finish cutting it up. But just one of these. How about Grateful? That's definitely a fall taggy tag. So yeah, so on Friday we'll have the room tour, provided I don't like, you know, I don't know, become feverish with this and can't record. Because, I mean, by feverish, I mean, you know, where I feel like doggy doo-doo, because I'm pretty sure... Sensory, last Friday, no, not last Friday. Okay, yep, that's what we're gonna do right there. Right there, that's what we're gonna do. Yes, sirree. Anyway, sometime last week, I can't remember. Again, I'm having issues. You would think that this was in the evening. Well, it's not. It's in the morning, and I just can't get my thoughts together. And I can't get my words to work, and it's horrible being me right now. Nobody wants to be me. But anyway, Friday, that's when we're, you know, provided I don't get super sick and can't record. We'll have the tour. There. The tour then. Okay. And then there we go. We have this. Hi, baby. Did you get your pig ear all done with? Oh, you know, I think I want to put punch a hole. Hole punch. And I'm just going to use my standard office hole punch because I don't want to have to dig the crocodile out. And then I want some twine. Oops. I'll probably end up, I don't know why I cut it so long. Oops, I don't know. Sorry if you can hear him drinking, because, you know, after any good pig ear, you have to have water. Okay, then we're into the middle of the signature. And here's this one. Really want to use one of these. Yeah, let's use that one. Why not? Find a clean spot on my glue book page over here because I have not been using that very well. Just been putting paper on there willy-nilly. See, and this little book lays quite flat, which is, you know, quite nice. Yeah, I think I want to, but I want to round the corners. The corner rounder is already out, and I'm going to use the mid-size. I don't know why. There really is no reason for it, but I think it would look nice. So I have a blankie just off to the side over there underneath the desk, and Baby Newt Newt has discovered it and he likes it. Okay. And that's where he's at right now. So if you hear things moving around down by my feet, that would be why. Oh, he got it out. He was so sweet last night. He was laying under there and just laying. Hope I need a tag. I have this with that bit down in there. It needs to be back, but I'm going to take a scoosh more off of it. And then I'm going to back it. Take a scoosh off this side. And a scoosh off this side. There. And I really meant a scoosh. That's interesting. Yes. Oh, goodness gracious alive. So sorry. Where am I after? I am after... Ow! Oh, wait a minute. I got like a whole file folder of tag and journal card backing over here. Let's use that. Maybe. Or that. Let's use that instead. I have a bunch load. Oh, and I even have some labels up there. Well, okay, we're going to... Well, I'm going to fold this over. That's what I'm going to do. And then I'll throw it away. I don't know where I got this little digital here from. If you really want to know where I got it from, let me know and I'll go and search. But right off the top of my head, I have no idea. None whatsoever. There's a whole lot of none there. A whole lot of none. Sir, I don't think you need to be snuffling about in that drawer, do you? Okay, there we go. Then, I think I want the butterfly because he's so cute. And this is from Amy's Butterflies and Dried Flowers kit. And then we'll put a little label down there. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Sir, please. Trying to record a video here. Ooh, see, and I'll put him right there in those little ferns. Can act as his wings. I'm a little dizzy today, which is just amazing. Not. Let's see what kind of labels do I have up here. I have those labels. And then I have those. Oops. I have lots of labels. Well, I do have lots of labels, but these labels are ones that I figure, well, that I want to use up. And there's Tracie Fox labels. There's labels in here from Claybot, Pink Monarch, Collage, Calico Collage, there we go. Tracie Fox, I don't know who that is, I don't know who those ones are. And I got some from, oh, that's Claybot as well, and then Tracie Fox. Okay, Oh, I'm like, hold that note. Talk amongst yourselves, because I gotta go check on the baby. What are you doing? Is that yours? Is it a pig ear? No, this is Pohaya. And this is Pohaya. Well, I have this really cool bag in my stash here, and well, he came in and he stole it. Dirty dog. Hey, no bite. No bite. He just really wants attention this morning. I don't know why. But he wants the mama. Hey, get out of there. This is a whole lot of Nanya. Whole lot of Nanya business. I gave you a pig ear. Sir. So sorry. He is a pill this morning, if you didn't catch that. Pill, I tell you, a pill. I wonder if I could. Ooh. Why, yes. I could. There, there. Yes. Let's see if I can peel, not pill. Whoa. My southern accent came out there. Let's peel it up. Let's see if I can peel it. I was channeling my mother, apparently. Goodness. These little tweezers. Okay, we're just going to call that good right there. Because if I can keep on going, I'm going to ring the butterfly. Oh, I know he's out. And the rest of the family. Again. Did I tell you he's being a pill? Not a peel, but a pill. He's just being naughty. It's a naughty, naughty dog. I think it's because we didn't sleep in this morning. He got up at 4:30 and went potty, and I kind of dozed off after that, but I'm not going to say I went back to sleep, because really I didn't. Yeah, let's do this. Let's just round the corners. And I don't think he really wanted to get up yet. My mind didn't want to get up, but well, I got stuff I got to get done today, son. Okay, there. I like that little journaling card. It's very nice. Okay, I'm going to, so I am also using, besides Amy's 1910 kit, I am also using her fall Polaroids, I think it is. I think that's the name of it. I'll make sure that I have it in the description box down below, because I am using them as pockets. Pocketsies. Pocketsies, my precious. No, I really kind of just, well, no, I don't. Okay, let me see what else I've got in, I could put, or I have these butterflies. I just don't know. I obviously need to go through this basket we have. Because y'all, it'd be full of nonsense. Not really nonsense, but it'd be full. Now that with the label, that wouldn't look bad. But let's see what else I have. And oops, oh no, dropping things. Things are dropping onto the floor. Oh, and I have, I didn't really like these ones in this because they're like 3D. Oh, here's another one of those cards. Or tags. And here's a journaling card. I don't know if that would fit in that one, but that's from this year's fall kit. Oh, what does this say? October. Ooh, I like that. And then there's this. We may put this on the cover. Yes, sirree, Billy Bob, we certainly may. It's a Pocketsees from this year's fall kit. I don't know where I got that. I got nothing. What is this? These are feathers and things. Oh, here's some more little. These ones here are from Amy's, one of her Halloween kits from this year. Again, I'll try to list it down in. Oh, and I found this. I thought this was so cute to go with this fall kit. Sorry. Oh my. Okay, now I'm having a hot flash. Rude. Rude, I tell you, rude. I don't even know what I'm looking for now. Sometimes, I tell you. Oh, I was using these as pockets. I'll keep that out. Ooh, yeah, I'm having a hot flash. Okay, y'all are just gonna have to wait. Well, wait a hot minute whilst I take off my sweatshirt. Oh, goodness gracious! How was that? Oh, I had this trim I was gonna use. I've had this since last year. And it's pretty awesome. I'm just going to work that off. Now I need to find where. There it is. And do I want the brown? Okay, let me put that over there. Because this would be really cute. Okay, let me cut. Right there. Yeah, what I'm looking for, if you're wondering, I'm looking for I'm looking to see if I have any cutouts, and it doesn't look like I do, of the 1910. What are these? I've had these since last year. I got all of this from Mixed Media, Minnesota. Hello, autumn. Sun, bicycle, grateful, cold weather. That, ooh, loving this, yeah. Blessed. Oh dear, there's so much. But autumn is, no, let's do give thanks. And see, these are stickers. Not that I'm going to I'm gonna put glue on them is what I'm trying to say, if I can get it spit out. Oops. Yes, let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to go back here in my glue stash. Put the auto glue and try to get the lid off. There. And there. And then there. And I'm just going to put that right there. Ta-da! It looks so beautiful. Nope, I don't want to add. Don't want to add. Just move on. Move it on, and this is back, so I'm just going to use this as the thing in there. There, little journaling card. Okay. Let me cut this out. Oh, full moon? Really? I don't think I want full moon in here. So, you know, people have been saying that full moon is going to be on Halloween weekend. Well, it's like tonight. I don't know what kind of calendar they were using. But yeah. Because I went outside last night, you know, right before bed to let the little lug out. And I like that just the way it is. Then we're going to take, well, let's see if I have it. Yes, I have this one. Oh, and that one would look really nice in there, except it needs a little something, something. A little something. This may not be it. And I'm thinking that it's not going to be it because, oh, I could cut her because see, my skin is cut weird. That fit in there. Nope. It's got to be 2.5. Yep, it is. Make this one 2.5, but I guess we don't really get what we want, right? All the time. Ow. Okay, there. Now I need to back it. And then I'm not going to do anything else with it. Okay, backing paper. I have lots of backing paper up in my backing paper folder. I think I'm going to use a piece of copy dyed paper. Yes, my nose is just, and I'm feeling really punky. Oops, and there goes the timer. Well, God bless America. It's fine. We got a little bit done. We didn't get the first signature done, though, like I was hoping, but, you know. Okay. There, I have the second time we're going. Where's my ruler right here? because that's how I do it. I do 45 minutes and then I set it again for 10 minutes, and then that way I know that I need to be winding down. Oh, I didn't get that very good, did I? If I got that. Well, you know, there's always got to be one corner. One. Okay. And I'm going to round these corners because that makes putting it in and out of pockets better. I really hope you guys are watching this on 2 times the speed because I don't know that I'm talking well today. Oh, I guess we did get through the first signature. Yay. And then I will work on the rest of this through the weekend. And at some point next week, we will have ourselves a little flip through. This one here, I'm thinking I want to put here, but I need to back that. And have it as like a little flip up. But I need to back this right here. Because it's white. All right. Well, we will see you mañana. I would tell you what we're doing, but you know, it's just going to be as much of a surprise to me as it is to you. So I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like the video and please, please, please put a comment in the comment box, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.